If diversifying your portfolio is on your mind, then investing in hybrid funds is a great option. If you're wondering what is a hybrid fund and how to pick the right one, then this video is exclusively for you. Hello and welcome. I'm Vineet from ClearTax. In this video, I will tell you what is a hybrid fund, what are the types of hybrid funds, and how to pick the right one. What are hybrid funds? Hybrid funds are a class of mutual funds that invest in securities across equity and fixed income markets. They may also invest in asset classes such as gold and real estate. Hybrid funds intend to provide investors with the benefit of diversification, balance in the risk-reward ratio, and following the market trends. The fund manager and his team of analysts keep track of market developments and modify the portfolio constitution in such a way that investors can benefit from more market cycles. The following are the types of hybrid funds. Number 1. Balanced hybrid funds. This type of hybrid funds invests at least 40% of the portfolio in debt and equity-linked securities. The main intention of balanced hybrid funds is to generate returns in the long run in the form of long-term capital gains. The exposure of a minimum of 40% towards both equity and fixed income securities ensures that the fund balances the risk-reward ratio. Number 2. Multi-asset allocation funds. As the name suggests, these funds invest in a minimum of 3 different asset classes. The exposure towards 3 different asset classes exceeds 10%. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio across asset classes, then investing in multi-asset allocation funds is an excellent option. Number 3. Aggressive hybrid funds. The portfolio of an aggressive hybrid fund is formed in such a way that equities dominate the portfolio. These funds invest at least 65% of the portfolio in equities, while equity exposure cannot exceed 80%. Fixed income securities across both debt and money markets form the remainder of the portfolio. Number 4. Dynamic asset allocation funds. These funds are also referred to as balanced advantage funds. This type of hybrid funds can move their asset allocation from 100% equities to 100% fixed income, depending on the market and economic developments. The fund manager and his team will continuously look for opportunities to generate maximum returns for investors. If you want to follow the market trend and benefit from it, you may consider investing in a dynamic asset allocation fund. Number 5. Conservative hybrid funds. As the name suggests, the equity exposure of conservative hybrid funds is limited. It ranges from 10% to 25%. Majority of the portfolio is formed by fixed income securities across both debt and money markets. These funds intend to create income from debt securities and spike the same through equity exposure. Number 6. Equity savings fund. Equity savings funds intend to strike the right balance between risk and return by investing across debt securities, derivatives, and equities. The diverse nature of these funds ensures that market volatility has no significant impact on the performance. The equity exposure provides the much needed push for growth, while exposure to debt and derivatives gives stability. The equity exposure of these funds can be up to 65%. With various types of hybrid funds available in the market, it can get difficult to choose the right one. However, by considering the following parameters, you could choose the right hybrid fund. Equity exposure. Knowing the equity exposure of the fund under consideration is important. You have to assess your risk tolerance and ensure to pick only those funds whose risk levels are in sync with your requirements and risk profile. Age. The thumb rule to decide your equity exposure is 100 minus your age. For example, if your age is 35 years, then your equity exposure should be 100 minus 35%, which is 65%. In case you are ready to bear higher levels of risk, you may consider aggressive hybrid funds. Taxation. It is crucial to understand the way the fund under consideration is going to be taxed. The taxation of a hybrid fund depends on the equity exposure. If a hybrid fund's equity exposure is more than 65%, then it is taxed like an equity fund. If not, then the rules of taxation of debt funds apply. If you're not aware of how your hybrid fund is going to be taxed, then you might be up for an unpleasant surprise. Investment horizon. If you have a longer investment tenure, say 5 years or longer, you may consider investing in equity-oriented hybrid funds. Likewise, if you have a shorter investment horizon, then you may invest in a debt-dominated hybrid fund. To conclude, you must invest in a hybrid fund which is in sync with your requirements, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Investing in a hybrid fund is a better way of diversifying your portfolio as you get exposure to both equity and debt securities. If you find this video useful, then please do like, comment, and share. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.